You okay?
Yes, I'm good. Kind of the. You like to listen to the music?
No, I haven't. You know, I haven't listened to it.
Really?
I don't. There's a minute now. So how now? You done?
Yes, I'm finished.
Well, okay.
Finished.
Well, it wasn't bad. You do lobsters with it too?
Yeah, I do. And everything. Now it have to be cold. And the fan running also good.
Okay. Yeah, that was running. The body, you know, the freezer worked the whole time. Yeah.
Okay.
But I had to throw 3 dozen eggs out. Trust them.
Yeah.
Now, what I'm talking about the lock fixing the front door. What would that run? I have locks.
You have locks?
This thing broke, and I started to put it together, and then kept, you know, it kept getting interrupted, and I just got tired, you know. I never got off. Just trying to place the front door.
Which one of this you wanted to do? This one or this one?
Yeah, this one.
This one. Got you. How much is it because? I gotta do that more than 100, but I do for you just $80. That is work for you. Just the 80.
When can you do that?
When? Right now?
Okay.
Yep. Okay, let me bring my tools and just put everything back. All right, just only the screwdriver.
Okay.
Yep. Gina, mardak گفتکی می رучکای داری مرام алиш کنم. گپ نیست. شустра соображать میکنیم. گفتی ابو. میگم چی соображать میکنیم. نه. چند سوم میکنی؟ گفتم خیلی. $100 زیاد میکنم یورا. این برای شما میکنم. میگم $80. میگیرم جا دریل میکنم. دریل هم میگیرم باید چی داد میزنم.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Okay. I'll waiting for you in my car.
Yeah, don't lock that. Yeah, don't lock that door. I left new keys in.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, because I didn't have any cash in my pocket.
Oh, got you. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
All right. Yeah, that was good.
Yep.
And I'm so glad that you're still alive, boy, because you sounded terrible. God, hey. I said, maybe if she don't call me back tomorrow, she may be gone.
I mean, I lost their numbers. You know, I'm looking for them. I mean, so many people call me, you know.
Yeah.
And I just see, where's the call? And I see in the receipt, address here, everything here, but no numbers.